May malaking trade ako. Bukas, lalabas sa spin.ph, tapos sa story natin, sa podcast natin on Thursday, ilakbas ko lahat ng mga detalye.
Nako. Alam mo,
Big name,
tumawag ka sa akin kanina eh.
superstar.
Nako.
Okay, superstar, member ng national team, face of the franchise for many years. Tapos iba to na. Kasi this alignment is not unusual. Kasi nga, ang Converge, grabe ang build-up ng talent ng Converge. Converge is so deep that, alam mo naman, kagaya ng, arms race dati, panahon ng Cold War, na nang nalaman ng US na maraming missiles, nuclear powers ang Russia, they also did their own. So, ganun din yan sa PBA. Kasi may kasabihan kasi in that, I think it was Sun Tzu in The Art of War, na sinabi na, sometimes the best way to move forward is to stay still. Yun ang isa sa mga, yung mga mantra ni Sun Tzu. But it does not apply sa PBA. If you stay still, naiiwan ka.
Okay.
Diba? Naiiwan ka. I mean, the logic behind that, behind that mantra na the best way to move forward is to stay still is that sometimes ang ibig sabihin niyan minsan you just let your opponents make mistakes and then you watch them go by as the dead carcasses go by kasi nga they made mistakes. Ikaw steady ka lang, you hold your fort. But sa PBA, when you are a PBA executive, nakikita mo yung Converge with the manpower they have stacked. Tingnan mo, ang Converge sa All Filipino in the All Filipino, look at Converge, Mikey Williams, Balti, Alex Stockton. Sinong tatapat sa kanila? Arana. Sinong tatapat sa kanila sa All Filipino? Of course, nandun si Junmar. But Junmar's 35. Tapos the people around him, CJ Perez, medyo may edad na rin, Marcio Lassiter. Diba? So Converge is going to be a powerhouse this year in the All Philippine Cup. In the Philippine Cup. So itong TNT, that's why gusto nilang mag-trade din. So, proposal pa lang to.
Teka, dagbanggit ka na ng team.
Okay lang. Kasi hindi pa natin alam sino. God. Hindi pa natin alam sino ang katapat. Diba?
Kaso may clue ka na. Naku po.
And this is all moving parts. Alam mo naman tayo, Pao. Never ako the listeners here sa Hoops Day mo, and even in our podcast, they know na when I write a story, never yan hilaw. I'd rather be, this is what I teach, I would like to impart din sa mga vloggers dyan. I know in the age of the internet, pabilisan to. Sinong mauna, sinong nakalabas agad. Pero ako, having been trained in the old days of the newspaper business, ito yung mantra, simple lang. It's good to be first, but it's better to be right. So bahala na kung late ako sa story, pero paglabas ng story ko, kumpleto na lahat detalye. Di ba? Kagaya ba yung kotse, nagmamadali ka, gusto mo may Tesla. Bili ako kasi gusto ko, mga tao gustong may Tesla. Bili ka agad ng Tesla, nabili mo, Model 3 lang. And then 2 months later, lumabas yung Model Y. Di ba? Okay. So ganun yun. So I did my due diligence. Nakausap ko yung mga dapat kausapin. And then finally, buo na. Actually, palabas ko na sana ngayon sa spin. Kaya lang, gabi na. And sabi we agreed na, we wait till tomorrow kasi, mas maraming readers. Tsaka umaga na, it would become fodder for the fans. Diba? Mapag-usapan nila. Pero, may mga detalye pa rin tayong tinatago natin na sa Paucast Sports lang natin ilabas sa Homer Says Show. Pero ngayon,
naintriga ako sa'yo
boss, grabe, maski ako, boss. I was so, in fact, one of the players involved in the talks pa lang to, we'd just like to make it clear that even if the teams would agree, it is unlikely na gagawin ngayon na conference kasi ongoing na. And you don't want that you do not want to, ruin the chemistry, di ba?
For sure.
Pero meron tayong masabi ngayon.